Hi, I'm Taludi, and today I'm going to talk to you about the rules in the laboratory.
Hi, I'm Marwan, and I'm going to talk to you about the basic equipments in the lab. But before starting on the equipments, you must learn the rules of the lab.
In the lab, you must conduct yourself in a responsible manner at all times, because you do not want to cause any trouble that could lead to injury to yourself or to your surroundings. Before starting an experiment in the lab, you must read your procedures and fully understand everything on how to conduct your experiment. If you have any questions on the procedure, you must ask your teacher. No student may work in the lab without the presence of a teacher. When first entering a science room, you do not touch any equipment, chemicals, or other material in the laboratory area until you are instructed to do so. It is important to wear the lab apparel because it will protect your body from irritation. You must wear goggles, a lab coat, and gloves. The goggles are meant to protect your eyes. The lab coat is meant to protect you and your clothing. The gloves are meant to protect your hands. If you wear contact lenses, take them off before entering the lab. Long hair must be tied back. Dangling jewelry and baggy clothing must be secured. Shoes must completely cover the foot. Do not eat food, drink beverages, or chew gum in the laboratory. Never fool around in the laboratory. Horseplay, practical jokes, and pranks are dangerous and prohibited. If there is any accident, spill, breakage, or injury, you need to tell the teacher as soon as possible.
Now back on the equipments. Beakers are used for holding substances and not for measuring. The Petri dish grows bacteria or other substances. The watch glass is used to cover and hold samples. The graduate cylinder is used to measure volume in millimeters. The funnel is used to transfer or filter liquids. Test tubes are used to put samples and tests. The test tube rack is used to hold test tubes. The test tube holder is used to hold the test tube. The rubber stopper is meant to plug flasks and test tubes to stop the liquid running from the tubes or the flask. The pipette is a type of chemical dropper used in the laboratory experiments to measure and transport fixed volume of chemicals. The stirring rod is used to stir solutions or any type of chemical. The thermometer is used to measure the temperature of a substance. A dropper is used to transport small amounts of liquid. A spatula is used to transport and distribute dry chemical compounds. A hot plate is used to heat lab samples. The pestle is a heavy club-shaped object, in the end of which is used for crushing and grinding. The substance to be ground is placed in the mortar. A Bunsen burner produces a single open gas flame, which is used for heating and sterilization and combustion. A tripod is a three-legged piece of equipment used as a platform to hold materials. A compound light microscope is an optical instrument used for viewing small objects you can't see with the naked eye. Forceps are used to pick up small objects or substances. Triple beam balance is used to measure mass in grams.